Hey guys, welcome back to another video. There is a really bad thunderstorm where we are. Look at that. Oh yeah, see? Now rain's coming on. It is currently 7:13 p.m. at night. I'm going to open the window so you guys can hear. It is really, really bad. I'm going to shut the door. Crap. See, there's a hole. So, I'm not currently home. And where I am right now, it's really, really bad. Way worse than where it is where I live. I know I've made one video before. There was thunder. Like as soon as I stopped that video. Tell me what you guys see. That blue car right there, its alarm went off. Whoa! I think it's time. No, I don't know yet. Should I shut the door? Feel that? I'll take my headphones out so you guys can hear it better. I gotta get down so you guys can see better. I don't know why there's a hole in my screen. Time to get up. Now, I'm gonna shut this window. You guys won't be able to hear, but you'll be able to see it. I'm waiting to see thunder. I can get it on video. Whoa! The guy is on YouTube, Mr. Warrior. By the way, you should go subscribe to him. I was talking to my friend, and she said that he was in the front of her house in the rain, playing around. So, playing in the rain, so that's what I heard. And then he left, because I thought he was at my friend's house, but he wasn't, so called him, he didn't answer. My friend that is in Kansas right now said that yesterday they had a big storm, and it came all the way down to where we are. Whoa! Please say I got that on video. Please say I got that on video. What's that? I wasn't paying attention to my phone at the time. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. You have a big storm where you are. Don't die. Stay alive. Bye.